Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, how are you today? Before we start the lesson, let I introduce myself. My name is Ikada Sujartano. My student ID is 24, 11, 17, 10, and 28. Okay, so today we will learn about the application of English learning models in the interrelation of religious moderation values. The background. Teaching English can help in the interrelation of moderate religious values such as tolerance and justice in multicultural society like Indonesia. Through model like values clarification and problem-based learning (PBL), student can develop critical thinking skill and understand the importance of diversity. The aim is to create a generation capable of promoting harmony and peace. Next, formulation of the problem. How can the use of English learning models suggest the value clarification model and PBL help students internalize religious moderation values in their daily lives? Objectives. To help students master language skill while interlacing values such as tolerance, justice, and appreciation of diversity and multicultural society through discussion, reflection, and project presentation. 1. Understand the value clarification learning model. Definition. Value clarification is a teaching model aimed at helping students identify, understand, and internalize certain values in their lives. This model enables students to reflect and choose values that are important in their daily lives. Next. To application in English learning. Objective. Internalized values suggest tolerance, fairness, balance, and appreciation of diversity through language activity. And then for example activities, one is discussing, debate, speaking. Students discuss a topic like the importance of respecting religious diversity in society, analyzing the values of tolerance, fairness, and balance. Then the second one, reading and reflection, reading and writing. Students read narrative texts or new article about religious conflicts of harmony worldwide and word reflection on how they can apply moderation values in their daily lives. 3. Role play, speaking. Students role play as characters from different backgrounds to understand various perspectives in multicultural societies. Next, then two, understand the problem-based learning (PBL) model definition. Problem-based learning is a teaching model that activity includes a student in finding a solution to authentic and relevant problems. Then two, application in English learning objective. Develop critical things, creative and communication skill in English while instilling religious moderation values. And for example, one, ident- identifying a problem, listening and speaking. The teacher present a case study suggests intolerant issues in a multicultural environment. Students work in a group to identify the main problem and discuss solution in English. And the second one, project-based presentation, writing and speaking. Students create a project like poster, videos, or essay about why to promote religious harmony in a diverse community. Then a presentation their solution to the class. And then the last one, debriefing and reflection, listening and writing. After completing the text, students reflect on how the values of religious moderation were applied during the problem solving process. Next, conclusion. The values clarification model helps students internalize religious moderation values through reflection and selection, while a problem based learning serve critical thinking and problem solving skill related to religious issues. The board can be integrated into English language learning through activities focused on reading, writing, speaking, and listening that implies dams of diversity, tolerance, and religious harmony. Okay, that's all I can say. I close this meeting with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you so much.